Alright, check it out. This little upgrade I got on it. The other day I put the old Dromeda brushless engine and it fit in there just perfect. Perfect, perfect. But I don't have an ESC to connect to it. And an ESC that has one of these little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin an ESC that has a 5 pin for these cheapo servos. So hopefully I can find one. So it'll be a lot easier. But I am gonna put in my own servo in here and everything. But you know, want to have fun with it first. Use it up until something blows, and then check it out. This is how it runs on the grass. Now I'm squeezing the trigger like halfway. It's not fast. Check it out. This full. That's full. I've been running it on the concrete over there where the kids are at. But it runs pretty good right here on the grass. It runs pretty freaking good. It looks good too on the grass. Oh, there it goes. The battery just died. Servo work, but the battery is dead. I have been burning it over there. And with these wheels, I have a small battery on here because I lost my battery backpack. It sucks so bad. I lost a bunch of good batteries. My little adapters to connect to this, to a Dean's connector adapter. I lost 4 batteries, and I had just made the tray bigger for the batteries, and you can see it here. Check it out. It looks pretty cool. I melted all the sides, and now this is the only battery I have with the JST connection. It's for the original Wltoys A959. So I just use it here. But I have all this space, and I had batteries, but it happens. You lose stuff. Yeah. Anyway, that's my L959. L959. Pretty cool. I will be turning it into a brushless one day with a dope ass strong servo, and I'll definitely get all 4 wheels like this. But right now I need to fix this, and the wheels are kind of in a V formation. I need them to be flat, straight, not V. Yeah, because the car has not been running right because you see the V formation? Yeah, it has only been like on the tip, right here, the tip of both wheels, so it doesn't really get a lot of good traction or control in the front. It spins out a lot. These wheels are pretty cool. They're fun and they look good. I bet they would look dope all 4, you know. Oh well. Peace.